As Zimbabwe joined the rest of the continent in commemorating the 62nd Africa Day, President Emmerson Mnangagwa called on Zimbabweans to remember and cherish the country's hard-won independence despite the social and economic challenges many continue to face. Sanapena mashoko kutoka nemtungamiri wenyika panguva inoi inoonekwa kunzi aiwa anorelease a erotic bomb paAfrica Day and subscribe like on the bell kuti ipinda pana pamudzi yesterday addressing the nation during the Africa Day celebrations. Mnangagwa paid tribute to the African Liberation Committee and the collective efforts of African nations that supported Zimbabwe's fight for independence. Africa Day, marked annually May 25, commemorates the founding of Organizations of African Unity, now the African Union, in 1963, and celebrates African unity and liberation. For many Zimbabweans, however, the occasion comes amid growing concerns about poverty, inflation, and unemployment. Mnangagwa acknowledged these hardships indirectly by urging the current generations to honor the sacrifices of the past by committing themselves to the goals of African Union's development agenda. Today, as the present generation must do our part to bring to fruition the realization of African Union agenda, he said. He emphasized the need for unity and continued struggle for the values of justice, equality, and human dignity across the continent. While the President's message focused on continental solidarity and historical gratitude, critics argue that the government must also confront the pressing realities faced by ordinary citizens. Many Zimbabweans continue to struggle with limited access to basic services, persistent corruption, and economic instability, issues that some say stand in contrast to the ideals celebrated on Africa Day. Thomas Kwaruya panabona chikriticize speech mtungamiri wenyika vachiti aiwa the government panguva ino inofanira kufokasa pana ways to cap aiwa zvakaita sana corruption zviri kuona kukunze zviri kudzosera nyika yedu kumashure. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu, subscribe or like, don't bell icon.